Why small transport companies are overpaying for vehicle washes? What if your company is spending far more on vehicle washing than it should, and nobody has noticed? Most transport operators carefully track fuel consumption, maintenance expenses, insurance costs, and fleet utilization. But there is one operational error that often escapes attention: vehicle washing, not because it is unimportant, but because the real costs are hidden. They don't appear at a single large expense. Instead, they quietly accumulate every day through inefficient process, wasted labor hours, operational delays, and lost productivity. Many transport companies still evaluate vehicle washing based on one simple question: how much does it cost to clean a bus? But smart operators ask a different question: how much does our current washing process cost the entire operation? The answer is often surprising. A bus waiting to be cleaned is not generated below. A team spending excessive time on repetitive manual tasks is increasing labor costs. Vehicles moving through inconsistent workflow create bottlenecks that affect scheduling, depot efficiency, and overall fleet performance. The biggest issue is that these costs rarely look dramatic on a daily basis. 5 extra minutes here, a few additional workers there, small delays during peak hours. Over time, however, the inefficiencies become a significant operational burden. As fleets grow, the impact becomes even greater. What worked for a small operation can quickly become an expensive limitation for a growing business. This is why leading transport companies are rethinking the way they approach vehicle washing. Instead of seeing it as a maintenance task, they treat it as part of a larger operational system. Their goal is not simply clean a vehicle. Their goal is faster turnaround time, lower labor dependency, more predictable workflow, and greater stability. At Go&Go, we help transport business transform one of the most overlooked areas of depot operation into a source of efficiency. Our automated bus wash system are designed for commercial fleets, coaches, and large transport vehicles operating in demanding environments. By reducing manual workload, improving consistencies, and accelerating vehicle processes, companies can achieve far more than cleaner fleets. They can improve the performance of the entire operation. The most successful transport companies are not always the ones spending less. They are the ones spending smarter. They understand that operational efficiency is built for hundreds of small decisions made every day. And sometimes, one of the most profitable improvements starts in the place for people to look, the workspace. If you are evaluating ways to improve fleet efficiency, reduce highest operating costs, and prepare for business for long-term growth, now is the time to rethink your washing operation. Contact Go&Go today and discover how modern transport companies are turning vehicle washing into a competitive advantage. Hidden costs don't stay hidden forever. The longer innovation process remains in place, the more they impact profitability and growth. Contact Go&Go today and discover how leading transport companies are reducing costs, increasing efficiency, and building smarter fleet operations for the future.